In this video I'll be looking at how to convert to and from degrees, minutes and seconds. I'm going to look at how to do that on the TI-30X-B Multiview as well as the TI-84 Plus CE. So I'm going to show you how to convert from degrees, minutes, seconds to decimal and from the decimal to degrees, minutes, seconds. So this is when we're working with angles. So to start with, I'm going to enter in my 32 and I'm using my second and my PRB button to get my selections for degrees, minutes and seconds. So I want degrees to start with, then I'm going to write 15 second PRB and select the minutes, and then 45 second PRB and it's the seconds. So then I can press enter and my calculator will change that to the 32.2625 degrees, so it's changed it to the decimal form. If I want to go back the other way, if I've already got it on my screen, I can do my second PRB, scroll down to changing to degrees, minutes, seconds, and it will change it back again. If I don't already have it on my screen, I can enter that in, so I'm not going to write all the decimal places. I'm going to do 32.26, second PRB, scroll down to changing to degrees, minutes, seconds, and press enter, and I get 32 degrees, 15 minutes and 36 seconds. So notice there is a difference there because I have a slightly different number there. So my seconds has changed with my rounding. Now I'm going to show you how to do that on the TI-84 Plus, just bearing in mind it will do degrees and minutes, not degrees, minutes and seconds. So for this one I'm just going to enter the 32 degrees 15 minutes. So very similar process, 32 second apps this time. Here's our angle. I'm going to select degrees and then I've got 15 second apps minutes, and then I will press enter and it changes it to the decimal for me. Going back the other way, if I put 32.25 second apps, I can scroll down to changing into degrees, minutes, seconds, and I get 32 degrees 15 minutes and 0 seconds. If you do want to enter that seconds in, you can enter that in as a fraction. So if we wanted our one here for the 45, we could actually do the 32 second apps degree, 15 second apps 2, and then the 45 would be 45 over 60. So I could have put that in, I'll have a go if I can do it 45 over 60, put my brackets around it. I'm not sure if that will add it on or not, so I'll give that a try and then I'll show another method if that doesn't work. And use the minute sign again. It may, yep, so we've got an error there. So what I want to do first is do my 45 divided by 60. That gives me 0.75. So when I enter it in up here, I'm going to put 15.75. So I'll go 32 second apps 1, and then I'm going to put my 15.75 because I've got my 15 minutes, and then my 45 over 60 for the seconds is 0.75, and then I'll do my second apps 2 and press enter, and I get that 32.265 that I got when I did on my green calculator to start with. And then going back, we've already looked at going back to degrees, minutes, seconds. You can do that using that option as well. Hope that was helpful, and in my next video I'm going to have a look at using the TI-30X-B, putting in a table of values.